Here's how you can use Google Maps offline. Open Google Maps. Choose a specific area. Then tap on your profile picture at the top right. Choose on Offline Maps option. From here, select your own map. Now you can adjust the area accordingly. If you take up more space, the map will take up more storage and space on your mobile device once you download. So choose a location and just tap on download. Just wait for some time. Also, make sure that you have a fast internet connection for fast download. Once downloaded, tap on that map. You would be able to use it offline now. You can tap on Update in order to update that offline downloaded map as well. So that's all for today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.